So today we're here on a kitchen remodel that we did using Ikea cabinets, and in this video we're going to show you a cool drawer hack that you can do that's really easy and doesn't require any modifications to the cabinets themselves or the drawers. You just have to kind of mix and match different parts that they offer to create what we're trying to do here today. So in this hack we're going to show you how to modify the medium drawer front to work with the high drawer box. So I've got three different options here for the medium drawer front. They offer a low drawer, a medium drawer, and then a high drawer at Ikea. But when you try to order a kitchen, they'll only try to sell you a medium and a low drawer. They don't offer the high drawer for the medium drawer front. So what we figured out when we got home and put the kitchen together was that all the medium drawers had a big gap, which you can see right here. And we didn't like that because when we tried to put stuff inside of the drawers, and you know, you've got a lot of space in there, but the side only covers so much, we were like, well, we need to do something about this. So we went and purchased a high drawer, which is what they use for the higher drawer fronts. And we figured out that it actually works with these medium drawer fronts. So I'm going to take apart this high drawer and just show you guys the holes that you need to use for it to make it work. And then I'll just kind of show you the difference between all three side by side here. I'll get some better shots from the back side here too. So I'm just going to take this high drawer box apart real quick so you guys can see how it's made. All their drawer boxes are pretty much the same. And then for some reason the sides here don't come with the drawers. You have to buy those separately. I'm just going to take apart one side here. Okay, so the way that the high drawer mounts to the medium drawer front is the same as the medium drawer box installs to the medium front. The only difference is where you mount the bracket for the side rail. So the bottom of the drawer gets mounted in the same holes. And then this top bracket, there's no instructions for this with the medium drawer front. So we just put it as high as we could, and it ended up working out with the existing holes that they had on the medium drawer front. And you can see those holes here. So it's like they knew it worked, but they never told us about it. And it doesn't mention it anywhere in the instructions. And we couldn't find any information online about this, so that's why we're making this video today, just to show you that the high drawers work with the medium drawer fronts. We're really happy with our Ikea kitchen so far. And we're probably going to do a review video on it after we've used it for a while. We're still doing a little bit of work. We're not completely done with the remodel, but we're getting close. So when it's installed, you can see how there's a big gap here. And so if you were to put stuff in here and stacked it higher than the drawer, it could potentially spill over. So that's why we went with this higher drawer box, so we can maximize our storage space and not have to worry about anything falling out or causing any damage here. So you can see how that high drawer works really well with the medium drawer front. So here's a really good example of how we use the high drawer with our lids. With the shorter drawer boxes, these lids wanted to just fall out. We couldn't put as many in here, and they don't all fit standing up, so we found the best solution was just to lay them flat and stack them like that. So we're able to maximize how many lids we can put in there with this high drawer box. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this helps you. If you're in the market for an IKEA kitchen, definitely want to use the high drawers. They're just going to maximize all your storage space, and it's just a way better option in my opinion. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe. It definitely would help us out. Lots more videos to come on this kitchen remodel and plenty other remodels that we're going to be doing in the future.